Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about multithreading in Java. Multithreading is an important concept in programming, and it allows your program to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. So let's get started. First, let's define what a thread is. A thread is an independent path of execution that runs within a program. When you start a program, it creates a single thread called main thread. This thread is responsible for executing the main method of your program, but you can also create additional threads to perform other tasks. To create a new thread in Java, you need to define a new class that extends the thread class. You then override the run method, which is the entry point for the thread. Inside the run method, you define the code that will be executed when the thread starts. Once you've defined your new class, you can create an instance of it and start the thread using the start method. This will invoke the run method and start the thread's execution. But creating threads manually can be time-consuming and error-prone. Java provides a simpler way to create threads using the runnable interface. To use this interface, you need to implement the run method in a separate class and then create a new thread object passing an instance of your class to its constructor. Using the runnable interface is the preferred way to create threads in Java, as it separates the thread's behavior from its implementation details. It also allows you to share resources between multiple threads, as you can pass the same instance of your runnable object to multiple threads. Finally, let's talk about synchronization. When multiple threads try to access the same shared resource, it can lead to unexpected behavior and race conditions. To prevent this, Java provides synchronization mechanisms such as the synchronized keyword and the lock interface. These mechanisms allow you to ensure that only one thread can access a shared resource at a time. And that's it for this video. I hope this introduction to multithreading in Java has been helpful. Thanks for watching and happy coding!